function operations are just like polynomial operations. So if you're given multiple functions, you can add, subtract them, multiply them, divide them. We're not going to focus too much on the dividing, but you can do any operation with them. So it's important to know which ones you're using, and that's sort of why we have those labels as f of x, g of x, h of x, because you might have 4 or 5 functions, but you're only using 2 at a time, and you need to know which 2 you're using. So other than that, though, you just sort of perform the operation. So if it's telling you to add f of x plus g of x, you're going to take the f polynomial, or not the f polynomial, the f function, which is 3x minus 5. And I'm going to put that in parentheses. So 3x minus 5. And then plus the g of x, which is x plus 8. And then all you do is add your like terms. So what can you add together? You can add the 3x plus the 1x. Get 4x. The negative 5 plus 8 is 3. And that's all. So now let's look at the subtracting. The same idea. You just subtract them. So, and it doesn't matter which one you start with. You're going to start with the f. So you'll start with 3x minus 5 again. But it's now going to be subtraction. So minus x plus 8. So same thing. It's just instead of adding like terms, you subtract like terms. So this time we'll do 3x minus 1x, because that minus will go there to both things. So 3x minus 1x is 2x. Negative 5 minus 8 will give you negative 13. But that's it. You just pay attention to what the operation is telling you to do, and then you do that operation with the given functions. So how about f of x times g of x? So same thing. This is going to be 3x minus 5 times x plus 8. So since it's multiplying, I'm going to set up a generic rectangle. So 3x minus 5, x plus 8. So we get 3x squared, 24x, negative 5x, negative 40. So what will it equal when we're all said and done? 3x squared. Add your x terms, so plus 19x minus 40. So you're just using the functions it gives you and paying attention to the operation it's telling you to do. But other than that, you pretty much just go from there.